Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can simply adjust the playback speed of a TikTok video. And here I have already opened my TikTok, and let's say that I want to adjust this speed of a video to watch. So what you need to do is just long press on the video, and this will pop up, and then you can just click on the playback speed in here, and here will be shown a list of options of speed that you can choose. You can make it fast like this, or you can make it slow up to 0.5 like this. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, and also comment. Bye.